Hi all, good morning. I want to show you Advocate Diary in case management software which is installable on the different platforms, for example Android and iPhone, iOS. The basic requirement for this is to enter the data first of all so that it can remind you for the rest of the case information. So here the first thing is to register yourself after installation. So you will be presented with this page as soon as you install the application. So you need to enter your name, email ID and 10-digit mobile number. Your name, click on submit. It will go to server and check whether your subscription is valid or not. If it is not valid, it will give you 1 month free trial. There is no charges. It will send you to the home page wherein you can go to my profile and you can see that it is the app expiry date will be 17th September 2015, which is 1 month from today. From here you can actually, first of all you need to add few basic things actually. So I will show you how to use the software. So first thing is you can add the codes information. There are no codes we have added, so click on the right bottom, this plus button. It will ask you to enter the code. You need to click on add code. I am just entering the sample data. I have added two codes. One is Supreme Court and one is High Court Mumbai. Now I will go back to home page. I will have to add the clients also. If I know, for example, client 1, email is sam client @gmail.com, whatever, sample address, and this is the 986017 sample in mobile number. As soon as I click on client, it has added the client. Let me add one more client also for the testing purpose. Client 2 sample@gmail.com, address is sample client 2 address. Click on add client and it is, now you can see I have added two clients actually. I will go to home page. Now I want to add the case about this client and this code. So I will click on my cases and there I can see plus symbol is there. Now first case sample I am engaged for, it will be presented with the drop down. I will click on respondent. The codes which you have added, Supreme Court and High Court Mumbai, it is showing here. So I will click on Supreme Court. If I select any code from the drop down, no need to enter the code name. If I select the client name from the drop down, no need to enter the client name. However, if I don't want, I can enter the client information also directly. So it will add directly and it will come in the drop down next time. Opposite party name is whatever is the opposite party name. For my reminder, it's optional thing. Opposite party advocate, whatever, it can be anybody, whatever with the name of advocate. Applicable app name is 498A or whatever. Remark is summons, and by default case status will be running. So let's click on add case. It will add the new case and it will send us to the new proceedings page. Here next page, whatever I want to remind for. Remarks is whatever you want to enter. Okay, case detail added and it has, you can see now case information, court information, client information. Next stage, remarks. Previous date is not set because you did not enter any previous date information about this case, so it will show as no not set. Now you can see the details of this case, the complete detail. It will show the complete detail like case detail of this case, court detail, client detail, hearing detail, etc. If you see, edit schedule is there, like you can edit the schedule actually, whatever, if you want to make the spelling changes or whatever, you can do it. There are so many things which you can do. For example, if you click here on send SMS, it will send the SMS to the client email, mobile number. If you click on email, it will send the email to the client email ID. And if you click on delete, it will delete this hearing from the database. Okay. Now you have different options like tomorrow. If there are any cases for tomorrow, you can see here for next 7 days. And this application is super fast, so you can see there are you can use this application on the local system even when the mobile device is not having internet connection. Now I think there are only one case which we have added is here. Here you can see, if you want to see the detail, you want to edit the case, show schedule of these cases, it will automatically show you the schedule of these cases. You can delete it. So this is the basic things which you can do actually, and the good part is you can use the software from our website also. You need to go to honeycomputing.com, and then from there you can see the username, whatever email ID you have entered, and the password will be last 4 digit of your mobile number which you entered during the registration. So if you don't remember the password or mobile number whatever you enter, you can always go to here send password reset link and reset your password. So it is very user friendly. Now here you can see my profile information. For example, I will walk you through all the tabs one by one. Click on my info. It will show you your name, email ID, phone number, etc. If you see the setting, this is very important thing actually. What happened is our software, whenever you add the new hearing, it sets the alarm notification in your mobile device, so that suppose the case is on 21st August, it will remind you on 20th August at 6 p.m. in the evening. You can see this is the default time which I have mentioned here. But if you want it to be display at 5 o'clock or 5:30, then just go here and you can change the setting as 5:30. Remind me before 1 day. So if you want 2 days reminder before 2 days, you can change it. Default is 1 day. If you want to see the items per page, 5 items per page, you can make that setting also. And in the morning time, whenever you want the reminder, for example 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, you can do it and just click on save. Setting is saved, so it will show the reminder as per your information or provided by you. Now for example, if you have entered something from the website and you want to get all the data, you need to click here. You need to click on get my clients. What it will do is it will go to web server and download all the data on your mobile device, so that this is not mandatory, because by default our application goes to database and checks it. But if you want to see, you are observing that okay, there is some internet problem in your mobile device, then you can click on get my data and get it. If you have any questions, you can just go to FAQ help section. There are so many questions already answered. You have to just click on the answered question and it will give you some information like this, and you can read, and most of the answers you can get here itself. If you still have any questions for us, you can call on the number mentioned on the application. It is 9860-817-217. After that, if you have any decided cases, then it will show all the decided cases here. But as I can see, there is no decided cases here, then it will not show. So what you can do is go to my cases. Here go to edit case. Now the case is actually in the running state. So if you make it decided and click on update case, it should show you in the decided cases list. You can see here. So once your case is decided and result is declared, you can make it decided so that it will not disturb you throughout the rest of your life, or you can say in the application it will not disturb you. So if you want to see the details, you can go here and you can see the details. Now you go here, unscheduled cases also. If you want to see the unscheduled cases, you can select here how many unscheduled cases are there. For example, there are 10 cases, but you have not entered the next scheduled dates of 5 cases. then it will show all the 5 cases which are remaining for adding the hearings. So it will be a soft reminder kind of, which will help you to schedule your things properly. And then in the this is the list of our other applications. Actually there are so many other applications also, but these are the basic and very important applications which we have in the Android and iOS Play Store. Also you can see the data statistics. Actually you need to go to my profile and click on data statistics. It will show you how many codes you have entered, how many clients you have entered, how many future schedules are there, total cases are there. After that you can go to if you think that your data is not synchronized with the web server, then you can also click on push my device data to web server and click on push clients, push codes, push cases. So whatever information you want to push it, you can send it one by one. Also if you want to get a phone call from a company person, then you need to click on that button, get a phone call from company, select the reason, how to pay, click on submit. It will send the email to the customer care executive, and meanwhile you will get the email call from the executive. Now if you don't want to wait for that time and you want to call, you just come here and click on this, and it will show you you can call the company people directly. Okay. So there are few more things which you can see here, like you while browsing there are some more features, like you can send the emails, you can send the SMS, you can configure the alarm notification on your mobile device. This application is highly helpful for our advocates, and more than 50,000 advocates are using our services from last 2-3 years. So they are very happy, and we are very excited to launch the new version of Advocate Diary and case management software on the Android and iPhone devices. If you have any questions, just try to contact us, and there are some customer care executives who are ready to wait and to reply to your queries. Thank you very much, and have a good day.